my name is Colin Douglas, and I'm reading for the role of Justice, and my agent is Abrams.
Justice, get up, get up.
Mom, stop.
Do you not want to play in your Little League game today?
No.
Why?
Because I suck.
You do not suck.
Yes, I do. That's what Micah said.
Well, they don't know greatness in training.
Her dad helps her. Why won't my dad help me?
Well, your dad is not here.
I know. When is he coming back?
Next week.
That's too long.
No, it's not. Get up. You're going to be good today. I'll show you how to play.
Mom, you don't know how to play baseball.
I could learn.
Great. Learning from my mom.
Kelly is in the tub, scene 2.
But I sucked, and I couldn't even see the ball. Okay. I love you too. Yeah, she's in the bathroom.
Justice, who is that?
It's my dad.
Bring me the phone.
You know you don't like me to come into the bathroom when you're in there.
Give me the phone, son.